Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar. So hope everyone is doing good, hope everyone is doing well, and hope that everyone is making money with us. Okay, I've been sharing there with you a lot of wonderful setups, so hope you guys were able to catch them, were able to manage some time to get into the trade. Okay, as you know, we catch our really good trades on yen pairs. Hello Steve, welcome. As you know guys, that we've been watching the yen pair since very long, and if you're here, if you're there first time with us, then you need to be aware that we are trading based on wave analysis. If you don't know what we are doing exactly, I really do recommend watching the wave analysis book. Okay, Elliott Wave, the principle. This is what you have to read. This is the book. Google for it, and only the way like that you will understand the basics, what we are doing, how we are doing, and so on. Buy silver lol. Yeah, you are buying it already, Steve? You should be selling yen pairs. Forget about the commodities for now. More money now it's with the yen pairs. You don't need to delete every chat that you post over there, or every comment that you put there. You don't need to delete it, so just leave it. Yeah, silver will go up, but it will take some more time. Okay, we can watch it to see what we can expect from it. Okay, so first let me go through the published idea, what I have posted over there, what we can trade or what we can keep an eye on. So yeah, that's great. We will see what you can do, or if you can buy more silver. I honestly didn't watch the silver for quite a long now. I've been focused now. I put my focus on yen pairs, so that's why I didn't watch the silver and gold kinda. So here are the yen pairs. Some USD CAD is still there, yen pairs are there, New Zealand pound New Zealand is still there. So let's go one by one. I will comment it, and if you're first time there, you know that we are trading based on wave analysis. This is what everyone should be trading. This is the most powerful thing in the trading, and only the way like that you will make a lot of money, and market will become really predictable. Okay, you will not be guessing the market anymore if you learn the wave analysis. It's really logical, really easy. Of course easy when you get proper knowledge and when you spend some time on backtesting, on training, and so on. Okay, so you have to be well educated, and then of course your profit can easily increase. Okay, my traders are now capable of making 40% of profit per month. Okay, that's really good, let's say, profit per month. Okay, so for now, what one of my traders did, he took 25k account, and in 30 days he made 40%. This is 35k, so 10k of dollars with not over risking. Okay, so he did a really good job. A lot of money was there, and this is how everyone should be trading. Not over risking, not jumping in trades, and so on. Okay, only the way like that you'll be able to make money, stay consistent, and this way you make money for a living, of course. Thank you very much, Steve, for all good words. Okay, so he's saying that thank you for your streams, by the way, they are very informative. Yeah, I'm trying to share with you as much as I can. Okay, you guys, if you have any uncertainty, if you want to ask anything, use the live chat. I can see both chats because I'm live on TradingView and YouTube, so use the live chat on YouTube and TradingView as well, and communicate, right? Don't feel ashamed, sorry. Feel free to contact with me. So let's go. Let's start. I will go now through all those setups one by one. We'll discuss about it, what is still ready and what you have to keep an eye on. By the way, if you want to join our team, go to the website, choose the membership that fits with you, and after paying the subscription, then I will give you the access to our community. I will give you the access to our educational stuff. These are the pre-recorded videos which you have to watch, otherwise you will not be able to understand us, what we are talking about, and you will not be able to understand our setups, what we are trading, how we are trading, and so on. Okay, so first, once you become a member of our team, you have to watch training lessons, and then you will be able to understand us, what we are talking in the community. Okay, community is getting really active from day by day. Okay, we have as well the spreadsheet where we are putting the trades, live trades of course, and we are managing them together. Okay, this is for the practice, so people will get a lot of experience. They will know how to be responsible for trade, when to close it, when to take it, and so on, and we can track the mistakes. Okay, of course we can improve every mistake, so mistakes are there to make us better from day to day. So this is really powerful stuff, is that you are having a spreadsheet, so we are watching it together, improving it, and so on. And of course, being the member of our team, it's really good because it will boost your knowledge. And as you know, that trading in the community, it's easier than trading alone. So let's go. 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄, what we are having over there, it went for another leg lower. Okay, didn't continue its way to downside, there wasn't any flag, and it went up. So is this the buy? No, that's not the buy, it's still the sell in play. So why? We break the high nicely, break of the previous high, and now what you should do, okay, this is what you should do in the upcoming week, is follow the sell stops. Follow the sell stop and your target is previous low. Of course, I will share and update this picture under there, or I will repost the idea later on after I will finish the webinar. So your job will be just to find setups and trade it all the way down back to the trend line. So can I take a sell from where it is right now? No. Okay, that's the mistake that mostly beginners are doing. Okay, they will just enter based on the analysis. Okay, they will enter it right there because we said that we are anticipating 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄 to go lower. Okay, and if you enter it there, put your stop loss somewhere there, wherever you will put it, you can be wrong really easily, or you can be stopped out really easily, because this could easily turn into a nice flag, go up, hit your stop loss, and then it will drop. So here's where people are making mistakes, and we will not be in the trade because there we don't have a setup yet. I'm not saying that we will not get it by the end of the day, but currently, as it stands right now, we are not having the sell stop, but we are anticipating wave to the downside. There's the two big difference which you have to understand or make clear. Okay, one is the strategy for analyzing the market. The second one is the strategy to enter the market, when and how and why you will enter the market. Okay, those two things are really important, and usually people are mixing them together. Okay, people think that this is only, let's say, one part. You need two parts. Okay, strategy for analyzing, second strategy for entry, and then of course you have a risk management plan and so on, blah blah blah. There's a lot more than you think. So you have to work on everything separately. You have to make a strategy for analyzing, you have to make a strategy for entry, how you will enter, why you will enter, you need to have your risk management plan. Okay, these are all parts which you will need to have if you want to become profitable. And you have to backtest them. You have to see if it works and how it works. What is your win ratio by the end of the month, after 2 months, after 3 months? Okay, all this is what you have to do if you want to become profitable. If you want, you can as well speed up the trading process and join us. and we will teach you how to do this. We will give you the guidelines, we will show you what works and what you have to stick to. So wait for the sell stops, take a sales over there. By the end of the week, I'm really anticipating USD-CAD to go lower. AUSSIE structure went down nicely. We've been tracking this since very long. Okay, so we've been selling it since there. Another sell. It's still struggling, but it will go lower. Okay, so this has to struggle over there and still has to come lower. I'm really targeting back at the trend line. That's the target which I'm searching for. And of course, I'm still holding a couple of sells over there. Pound New Zealand just went up for a new high, then went lower. Look at that one, just went high, tagged the high, and then went lower. Okay, so there was one sell stop there on the lower time frame. If you saw it on time, great, you take it. But as it looks like, it doesn't move really strong. So if it stays there a couple more hours, giving you any sell stop, you can take another leg lower, at least back at the trend line. This will be your trade. Okay, you have to find the sell stop in this last leg to the downside. And your target will be the previous low. So setup is still there, still valid. If it goes higher, then you're not in the trade, right? You should not take the sell order as it stands right now, okay? This is the difference. You should not take it because you think it will go down, okay? Trading based on thinking, it's not profitable. And probably you already proved that to yourself a couple of times, so don't do it. Stick to the plan, make your own plan. Euro Aussie, what the Euro Aussie is doing, very nice, right? There was the flag, went up, make a new high, and now it's pushing down nicely. So what I can do, can I sell it? Can I sell it there? Can I sell it from as it stands right now? No. Okay, don't sell it. That's not how you have to sell it. Wait for any sell setup, wait for an entry strategy, wait for at least for a consolidation on lower time frame. That will help you catch a better trade. Okay, and of course your target will be the previous low. Euro yen, what it did, boom, very nice, right? So this strategy is very powerful, and this is the reason. Okay, there you have a proof why it is so powerful and why you have to apply it into your trading style, just because of really high win ratio, and moves are really predictable, let's say like that. Pound yen, what it did, boom, went down lower, easily, nicely and strongly, of course, right? We are not trading this move, we are trading those strong movements. In this movement is where you will make money. Trading this buy, it's not making sense, for example. Okay, you will not, say similar as there. Trading this, it's not profitable. Trading this is profitable and what you have to take. Okay, so you will have to change your mindset. Change the way you look at the charts. This is what you'll have to do the first. If you are changing to the wave analysis now, go big, not small. Next one, your GBP, what is it doing? It went for a little bit bigger correction, breaking this high. Look at that one, giving you the bigger structure, then went lower. There was a couple of sell stops and went down nicely, so you can still hold it. I will show you later on what you can do. There it will be probably more sell stop and you can keep on selling. I'm still expecting the GBP to go lower. Pound yen, yeah, this was the kind of bigger one. Okay, bigger one. It's keep on pushing lower. It should not stop by the previous low, because in this case this will be the flat. It will go up, giving you the running flat, and then it will go down, and then it will go up. Okay, this is very important point, or a very interesting spot to watch. It should not bounce from this, and it should not struggle to break below it. It should go now. Aussie yen, what is doing? Went down, correcting. Oh, yeah, we have an updated chart over there, so we already commented. But anyway, watch for the sell stops. Watch for sell stops there, and watch for the strong break to the downside, of course. Pound Aussie, what it did? Okay, didn't give us any confirmation for more continuation downside. It went up and then went lower. So this stop, it's gone. New Zealand yen, what is it doing? going down. Okay, there it's still at the beginning of the wave. Okay, we still have to come down. So big wave is still coming. You didn't miss anything. So yen pairs are kind of interesting for the upcoming days or weeks, let's say like that. We will be selling them. Okay, but wait for the correction. Be careful with the corrections. New Zealand chief, boom, very good, right? So this is the proven result of wave analysis. Euro chief went down as well. Okay, tag the high, break it, and then went lower. Very nice, structurally completed. This is old pound chief as well. What he did, went down, gone for the bigger correction, then pushed down nicely. No, that's not the power of my mind, that's just the power of wave analysis and experience. It's really easy once you grab the concept of wave analysis. Okay, because the Elliott was trying to simplify so everyone will be able to understand the wave analysis. But I know and I can see that wave structure or wave analysis could be kind of complicated if you make it complicated. So keep it simple and try to understand it. So I really recommend everyone to not learning wave analysis exactly as it was in the book. Grab the concept, understand it, that you have impulsive corrective movements, how corrective movements works, and so on. Okay, there's much more than just, let's say you have only flat, you have only running flat, and it could be only like this and this and this. No, that doesn't work this way. Okay, grab the concept and keep repeating this because it's really powerful. And I think this is all. Okay, these are all old ideas. So yeah, that's gone. So let's start now with the fresh setups. And I really hope that you guys are already in the nice profit on the yen pairs. I'm still holding a couple of yen pairs. We'll try to hold them more because I'm anticipating all yens to go deeper. Okay, really anticipating to see them pushing deeper. So let's go straight to the chart. Euro GBP, what we are having currently over there is, I really would love to see there more correction and then going lower. So let's see what we're having on lower time frame. Nothing yet, so don't chase the price as it stands right now. Okay, this is not the spot to sell. Okay, you need to have a correction before you start selling it. Okay, the correction could be just like this and then going lower, but you need it. You can't sell it without having the correction. Don't sell without correction. Something like this will be very good, and then you can consider taking the sell. How far it can go? It can go quite nice. Okay, this could easily take the trend line, and then we will see if it goes for another leg higher or it will just go lower. Okay, but we still have time, and based on the current situation and what we are anticipating based on the euro is that the euro economy will go down totally. Okay, will lose its value. So really bad times for the euro economy. So based on that, I'm really interested for this move down. Okay, this leg lower. I'm not seeing another leg higher, at least not for now. Euro USD as well, very good chart. Been selling it, making a lot of money over there. So here is the spot from where we were selling it. So this is one of the sells that we took going down. And this is the structure that I have been sharing it since very long. Okay, if you'll go back and watch the previous weekly market outlooks, all the recordings that I have posted on TradingView on my YouTube channel, you'll see that we were anticipating this to go down, and there is still more to come. Okay, this is really huge structure that is showing that the Europe will have a really bad economy and the euro will lost its value. So prepare yourself for the sell stops. Don't buy it. Okay, if you are going to chase the buy, you will only catch the correction. So what does this mean? You will not make a lot of money, but if you will sell it, you will grab the impulse to the downside, and there is where you will make a money. Okay, this is how you will double your account, even triple it really fast. So don't get stuck over there.
really follow the sell stops. If there's not the sell stop, don't chase the buy. Okay, that's the stupidest thing that you could ever do, chasing the buy stop or sell stop. If there is nothing, go out. Okay, enjoy. Life is so beautiful and you have to enjoy it. Okay, don't push it. If you don't have a setup today, then tomorrow one will come. So what you can do with the euro dollar? Okay, so this one, I'm not sure that this can go lower. Okay, this could just go a little bit lower, breaking these lows, and then we will go for the deeper correction, and then this is where I will become interested. Okay, so once this will be completed, so I will wait for this correction. So how big it can get? It can be this big, it can be this big, or it can be this big. Okay, so there is not a clear definition how big it can get, but you have to take every sell stop. If you take it, if it is not going close break even, take a sell. If it is not going break even, take a sell, not going break even. Okay, you got my point? You always have to get out of the trade if it is not moving as you expected. But definitely watch for sell stops. I will watch it really closely. Euro yen, this has to go lower daily. If you watch the daily structure where we are at the top of the structure, so this move is very possible it will appear in the next upcoming days. It could go very fast, it could go kind of slow. So what we are currently having, nothing over there. Instead of 1 hour correction, 1 hour correction, it's happening over there. I would be really happy if this give us some extension, going a little bit higher and then go lower. Okay, so I would love to see the bit bigger correction, because the bigger the correction it gets, the stronger the impulse will be. So let's patiently wait, let's see how it develops. If it goes right now, okay, so you can take a sell, and if it is not going aggressively, you have to manage it, close it on break even and let this move to appear, then you will take a sell again. Okay, something like this is what we can have in this case if this will not move strongly. And what I do recommend you, especially if you're not skilled enough, keeping all your stop losses above this high over there. That's gonna be safe zone for you. Okay, so I really don't like, or I will really don't love to see you guys who got stuck over there. So patiently, right? New Zealand yen, same there. Okay, this thing, all yen pairs are doing the same. I still see that this is the first wave of the structure, another leg, and the third one is needed. This can get complicated, of course. Okay, this thing can extend one more leg higher, going down, giving you the running flat, and then it will go even higher. So this is the possible structural development in the upcoming days. So keep an eye over there, but this move is very, very possible. So 4 hour, what the 4 hour is telling to us, okay, if you're taking the sell, this is my personal sell that I have taken over there, another one is over there, so it's struggling right now. You have to see what this price is trying to do. If it struggles there, great, go for the move to the downside, at least back to the trend line. This is gonna be your target. Okay, just let this correction develop over there. Pound yen, same there. Okay, let this one do whatever it wants to do, even struggle more, and then keep on watching for sell. That's my sell that I have taken, and I have couple more sells over there, but we'll see. Okay, so this has to struggle, or it can struggle, and it still has to go lower. Watch for strong break to the downside. It's really worth of taking the trades. Aussie yen, you know what to do. Been mentioning these setups since very, very long, and it's really good setup. Okay, very good setup. I'm just moving my arrows a little bit like this. Okay, so this will struggle over there and then to go lower. So how we can trade? Wait for the strong breaks to the downside. Okay, that's one option. Or watch lower time frame, get into the trade, see what it's doing at the trend line, take a break even trade, wait for another high, wait lower time frame, sell stops, take a sell back at the trend line, and so on. Okay, so but for this kind of scenario you have to be a little bit more experienced. Otherwise, what is the most safe option for you? Wait for the strong break to the downside and take the trade once it will be ready. But like I said, yen pairs, okay, I'm keep repeating, yen pairs are the charts to watch. Okay, if you're first time there on the webinar, go back and watch the previous recordings. I've been mentioning the yen pairs since I think last month probably, that we have to watch for a sell, okay, right? So what you have to do with the yen pairs, watch for the sell stops. Can I sell it as it stands right now? No. You know the answer. You need a sell stop. Use the cat. Watch for the sell stop as well over there. Can go even one more leg higher. Yes. This could be the flag, another leg higher, and then we will start selling it from the new high. That doesn't mean that we will place an enter order over there because make a new high. We will take a sell, put stop loss over there, and this will be our trade. No. Okay, no, that's not trading. This is gambling, because you are guessing that the price will go up and then going down, and then you'll say, oh my god, the analysis doesn't work, he's talking bullshit and so on. No, of course it will not work, because you always have to wait for the confirmation. Market have to confirm your thinking, has to confirm your analysis before you will get into the trade. So lower time frame is very important to understand. Can go lower from there? Yes. If it struggles there, take a sell. Back at the trend line at least. Euro Aussie, this one going down nicely. Went make a new high, very good. Watch for more sell stops. At any time soon we'll have a little bit bigger correction. Okay, it will go down, giving you the bigger sell stop, and then it will go. What it's doing currently? Nothing special. Okay, we just have to wait. Maybe it could just crack there and then go lower. Yesterday it gave us a nice sell stop. If you take it, put it on break even and see what they are trying to do. And Euro New Zealand, of course, this is very good sell stop as well. Went down nicely. We are there in the daily structure if you watch it, and I still see this movement over there as the corrective structure. So this is the corrective structure for one more leg lower. So keep your eyes for the sell stops. I really do recommend you watching lower time frame, searching for sell stops there on lower time frame, and take the trade to the downside. It's really a lot to be made over there. And of course, risk to reward ratio, it's nice as well. So 1 hour, probably you will have a flat over there. Okay, you will probably got flat over there, and then it will go lower. Okay, so really important how this third wave of the structure will develop over there. This one, it's really important how that develops. If you read it correctly, if you understand it properly, then this is gonna be your wave to the downside. Probably tomorrow morning you will got this movement, and it can go really nice back at the previous lows. Okay, so this is what we are watching. This is what we are anticipating for the next week. What you guys are waiting for? Do we have any charts that you are watching on? Do you have any questions? Just feel free to use the chat. And I really hope that these webinars helps you in your decisions, in your trading, because I'm doing as much as I can to share the most knowledge with you. Yeah, I know that the crypto it's not totally ready yet for buying. We will have to give it a couple more days or weeks, let's say like that, before we will see any opportunity on the crypto. But for now, I don't see the possibility. Okay, we still have to wait. So if you watch the gold and silver, silver went down nicely, so let me take off everything. There was a nice sell setup. I don't see the buying yet. Okay, that's still pushing lower. It could start there, and then before to go higher we will get the sign. So for now, no sign. This could still go lower, deeper and deeper before next leg higher. But definitely it's gonna spend there a couple of weeks before it will go lower. Okay, so there was a nice sell stop as well. We've been watching these sell stops, couple of sell stops, as you can see them selling. This is all what you will find in our weekly market outlooks. Okay, so if you're first time there, if you want to check how powerful the wave analysis is, go back to the date, for example 18th of April. Go back, check my webinar, check my analysis, and you will see what we were anticipating. Okay, and you will see if we were anticipating this movement or not. Okay, that's what you'll have to do. Check it and see. And Bitcoin, what the Bitcoin is trying to do. Okay, as you can see, we are going into the deeper correction, bigger correction over there. So we will probably go for something like this that will give you the bigger correction, another leg lower, and then it will start pushing higher. So by the end of the summer, probably we will be ready for some buy stops, but that's not for sure. Okay, you have to be patient and watch the chart before taking the buy. Okay, so for as it stands right now, you don't have a buy setup, so you cannot chase it, not even on 4 hour, not even on 1 hour, nothing is there. So another correction like this is what we will have over there. Another correction, setting up another leg lower, and then we may have a buy stop. Okay, so something like this is what we can have there on Bitcoin. So for those who are interested only for the crypto, so look at that one, how this will develop. If you copy, that's what you will have. You see, up down correction, then lower, and then up. Easy. There's not complicated structure to understand. Okay, but definitely stick to the charts that I have shared with you. Okay, these are the most powerful charts, and this is where we'll make money. Okay, so thank you everyone for being there. I will end the webinar. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Okay, those who are watching me on YouTube, leave a comment below the video, and I will answer all your questions in the next webinar. Until then, take care, stay patient, and keep your setups on your watch list. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you next webinar. Bye bye everyone.